So you've got yourself a blog, you're putting out great content, you're growing your audience, and you're building an email list. So it's time to talk about monetization. But first, we have to acknowledge a fundamental truth about blogs. A blog is not a business in and of itself. A blog is just the engine that drives promotion for the business. If you want to generate income, you have to build a real business on top of that engine. To do that, you need to choose and implement at least one of the many business models out there, and they're not all created equal. Some of them are vastly better than others, and what worked in the past may not work so well today. In fact, things have changed dramatically even in the last 5 years. This section covers some of the most popular revenue models you can use to build a business around your blog, including the pros and cons and how to execute each one successfully.